Hello, good morning students. Welcome to E-Class of Accounts. Today, as you can see on the screen, we are going to start with the company accounts issue of debentures. Chapter number 2, part 1. Part 2, chapter 2. Okay. Now, all other details we'll see later on. Let us just have some theoretical information about debentures which you already have through commerce. Okay, your OC chapters. But from connection to debentures, we are doing this. You already have idea what is debenture. Let's have its once more definition. Debenture is a document issued by a company to raise finance as a debt and use that finance for business operations. Okay? It is a sort of borrowing for a company. Company पैसे borrow करती है. Okay? And those who have to invest on the fixed interest normally and with assets kept as security. Company के assets are always kept as security for such amount. In short, it is also known as that it is a written acknowledgement of a debt by a company. How it is true? Let us move on and check it out. Okay, how it is a written acknowledgement. As we have already checked out that debenture is a document issued by a company to raise finance as a debt and use that finance for the business operation, and it is in written acknowledgement. Okay, in simple words, we mean to say that company issues a certificate in which complete details are mentioned कि कंपनी ने लैंडर से पैसे लिए हैं, तो इस तरह का एक सर्टिफिकेट देती है जिसमें मेंशन होता है कि कितना अमाउंट है, कितने पीरियड के लिए लिया है, क्या क्या सिक्योरिटी रखी हुई है, कितना रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है. ऑल दैट आर मेंशन इन द डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ document or it is in certificate issued, so it shows that proof of it that it is in written acknowledgement given by showing depth or in-depthness of the company. Okay. Now, what are its characteristics? All we have done through its meaning. It is a written document containing mode and period of repayment. Rate of debenture is mentioned. It is a borrowing of a company. It is normally secured against assets. Interest on debenture is always a charge, means a charge on the company's profits. Okay, that all are clear characteristics just for knowledge. One more concept you need to have knowledge. Debenture and bonds are used representing each other. Okay, normally दोनों ही borrow करने में help करते हैं, debenture हो or bond ho. Bond is always said to be, it is like a debenture, represents the debt of the company. But in case of bond, the rate of interest is not predetermined. Okay, so that is major variation between them. बाकी security bond की केस में भी होती है, that we must know. Let us move on. Okay, check that just for knowledge this is also. As per Companies Act 2013 current, some minimum amount of subscription from issue of debenture we must get. Actually, company does not define the minimum subscription. It is just amount borrowed for enhancing or to boost the operations of or its business operation. But SEBI has prescribed, Security Exchange Board of India, that at least 75% of the issued debentures must be subscribed. It shows stability of and even acceptance of company in the market. Okay, just for knowledge we have procured. Let's move on with the some other very important topic. See this one. Okay, very important, that how accounting world is going to touch it. Debentures can be issued directly for cash. We will see how cash. Consideration other than cash. Okay, ये topic अभी due to COVID-19 has been eliminated. Even debentures as a collateral security are given. Very important both these topics are, but now they are eliminated from syllabus. We will come to know about them. But then debentures like shares can also be issued at par. Normal face value जो होती है 100 रुपए का अगर डिबेंचर है तो 100 का 100 में मार्केट. 100 is face value. Launch price is also 100 तो par. Premium means face value plus amount. 100 का 120 में लॉन्च करें तो 100 plus 20 that is premium. It can be even issued at a discount. जैसे शेयर के लिए डिस्काउंट नहीं अभी allowed, लेकिन debentures can be issued at a discount means lower than the face value. Suppose face value is 100 and 10% discount is there, then from investor we will take only 90 per debenture. I am using 100 rupees because nominal face value normally of debenture is 100. It can be more in any multiples. Okay, for collection by company. So they can be issued at a par, at a premium, or even at a discount. Let us get some more knowledge about in this case. Okay, see, issue of debentures for cash. They can be issued to raise the funds for company's activities. Now, company had got an option that company can take the amount lump sum, whether it is par, premium or discount, but पूरा lump sum एक साथ पूरा पैसा ले सकती है, या company installments में भी ले सकती है, as we have seen in the case of share, some amount at application, then some at allotment, some at calls, like that installment में भी ले सकती है, उसमें भी par, premium, discount, all three versions will be applicable. Not only this much, debentures are redeemed. They are borrowed capital, so redeemed also, paid back also, one major type of it also there. So that accounting treatment also we will learn. Once we understand all these, after that we will go for redemption of debentures option also. Okay, so let us start and get some important information about this and go for practicals now speedier. Please understand, installments means कुछ पैसा एप्लीकेशन पे, जैसे शेयर था एप्लीकेशन, अलॉटमेंट एंड कॉल, लमसम मीन्स एक साथ. ओके, एंड एनी एट पार, प्रीमियम और डिस्काउंट in both the cases. Okay, that is the major practical we will be doing. And second practical which is included here will be redemption of debentures. There are two type of practicals included. Fine, let us start with that